Hello, this is Nathan Morley with another video on the LEGO Salvage truck. Now hopefully some of you saw the last video I made where I went over the electrical schematic for the new electronic speed controller. Well, this is it. This is everything. So this is the little dual potentiometer. And I kind of went over the top with the engineering of it and made this 3D printed housing that connects the potentiometer to the LEGO system. So the LEGO system can manipulate the potentiometer on its own. And this is the circuitry itself. This is the power supply for the circuitry. I set it up so that the battery that provides power to the motor doesn't actually power the circuitry. I found that out from the previous machine, that weird things happen when voltage fluctuates. Then this system here, this big white thing is the solid-state relay, the main solid-state relay. Then this is the double-pole, double-throw relay that controls the direction. So now let me zoom in on the circuitry to hopefully give you a better look at it. So the way I have it laid out is you have the 7 relays here in the red, the white, and the green that are all laid out on one edge very nicely. You have the 3 little indicator LEDs. This guy here is a small potentiometer that is used to adjust the point at which the motor goes neutral. Then this is the quad op-amp comparator, and this is the timer. It's actually a really neat setup. One thing that I did differently with this, as opposed to the transmission controller, is the board that I chose to use. So this one just has a bunch of little holes that are not connected at all. That gave me a lot more freedom in how I chose to lay out the components. Now I have it all connected up. It should work. This is the giant battery that is connected around to the relay system. So if I turn on the power for the circuitry, you see first light is on, second is off, and third is on, so the motor is off. Then if I adjust the potentiometer, the one light goes off, so we're going backwards. You hear a ticking sound, getting faster. That is power being fed to the motor in little pulses, getting faster. And the light goes off, so we are now at full speed. So full speed reverse, throttling down, pulsing, making weird sounds. And all 3 lights are on now, so we're going into forward, throttling up, more speed. And that light has just gone off, so we're at full speed forward and coming back down. And we're into neutral again. So hopefully in the next couple of days I will get this thing installed in the truck and have it, and hopefully it works, and hopefully there won't be any more things that this thing shows that are wrong. So this is actually the last thing that needs to go in if everything else works. So kind of getting excited. I'm getting near the end, finally.